Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Located just 10 minutes away from the resort town of Ocheres in the Tower Isles and a quarter-acre land sits this 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 2-story residential home. The ground floor boasts a garage, front veranda, open living, dining, kitchen, one ensuite bedroom, helper's quarters, powder room ascended by a swimming pool with swim-up bar. Upstairs has a sitting area with vaulted ceiling surrounded by 3 ensuite bedrooms with ocean view. The property is fully fenced and has a standby generator in the unlikely event of a power outage. The land area of this house is 10,890 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 580,000 or Jamaican $89.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.